Welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem faced by PowerShell users. The issue at hand revolves around determining the origin of DNS addresses using PowerShell. Essentially, the task involves identifying whether the DNS addresses are manually set or obtained dynamically. Quite a puzzler, isn't it? Now, let's delve into the solution to this DNS address mystery. The key lies in a nifty PowerShell snippet that extracts valuable network adapter information. By navigating through the registry and leveraging the CIM_network adapter class, we can uncover details like IP addresses, subnet masks, gateways, and, most importantly, DNS servers. This script takes us on a journey through the network configuration, shedding light on both static and dynamic DNS settings. The magic unfolds as we unveil the DNS origin step by step. In summary, tackling the DNS address origin dilemma in PowerShell involves exploring network adapter properties and registry entries. This comprehensive approach allows us to differentiate between statically assigned DNS servers and those obtained through DHCP. By dissecting the network configuration intricacies, we gain insights into the DNS address sources, paving the way for a clearer understanding. And with that, it's a wrap for today. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Who knew DNS could be this intriguing, right?